This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have a bag for your VR. If you have MetaQuest VR, MetaQuest 1, 2, 3, 3S, all of them can go inside this pack. Lovely. I bought in AliExpress, so price could be differ. Could be 20 to 30 euros or dollar, depend where you are. In Amazon could be little bit more, 25 to 40, 50, depends which quality of product you want to buy. So packaging is quite decent here. Very lovely, high quality packaging here with the plastic. Nothing fancy, but durable. So I'm gonna take this off from here. Lovely. Take this off from here. Let's see. Finally. Lovely. It's strong, I feel. High build for your Quest. Take this off. It's a pack together from here. I can lift. Let me take this off. Beautiful. We have one handle you have to carry. If you are traveling different places, you don't want to leave your MetaQuest behind. You don't want to leave your MetaQuest behind, and that purpose, the lovely chain here. Should be something of the name of the company, so no brand, no branding. Okay, whatever. Let me take this off from this side to this side. Lovely. Only here little bit bump, I feel. Wow. Here you can put your joystick controller of Quest. If you want, you can take this off as this. Can put both controller here, more device at the middle if you have more. Lovely. Here this side you see a chain. If you put inside some cable or something, you can do that. Lovely. Something you can put also. If you have more things, look at the quality. I'm showing you from more close. This is something as a cotton. Maybe you have some cardboard or plastic inside. Lovely, handy, and the headset will go here for sure. It will take this side and this side all. Okay, the space. Bottom you have some place for putting more things. Wow. Let me show you the quality. Gray color here is little bit bump. I would prefer without bump this product, but whatever. No, not a big deal. Not a deal breaker in this case. 3 dots. That means MetaQuest 3 and 3S for sure. Lovely. You see how this is a rubberized to carry it easily. Also you have rubber, no logo, nothing at all. Cotton, you can see very close how beautiful detail. Is durable, is strong. Also I think water resistance, surely, probably, not sure. Then you tight this one this way. Here you see at the top. Here 3 dots. Lovely. Put inside. Beautiful. Beautiful product, guys. Here at the joint you see at the middle. Stitching you can see very close. How it is. Wow. You can see, guys, how it fits this box, the headset put here. Exactly, let me show you. The first part, the controller goes exactly properly placed on its hole. Here this one as well. Then you have a belt. You can tie this one so it will not move many places. This one you add as well. You have one whole extra. If you have some other device, other things, other headband or other things, you can put here. The main headset you put here directly. You see, you can put here this one, you can put here as well, depends. So if you have some plastic headband, it goes directly here and you close. Close as this, let's see. Properly. See how it is lovely. More than that, you can put more things, obviously important things. The charger, other things you have, the cable, those things should go here. You see, easily close, no problem. That's why you have space. This side cable are the stuff. Beautiful product, guys. So this is unboxing of briefcase for Meta Quest 3 or 3S. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.